So you're looking to gain a bigger, stronger, leaner, more powerful and athletic upper body with calisthenics. Well, in today's video, I'm going to showcase one of my favourite pieces of equipment that you can use absolutely anywhere to help you gain more strength, more size and take your physique to the next level. What's up team, Conor Sloan here, specialising in bodyweight training, helping men lose and want body fat, building muscle by using the power of their own body weight. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can gain a bigger, stronger, leaner, more powerful and athletic upper body by using the weighted vest to take your physique to the next level. So team, we kick off my favourite calisthenic workout equipment with the weighted vest. Now the weighted vest has to be one of my favourite pieces of equipment to help overload your body and gain more size and more strength with calisthenics. And throughout this video I'm going to be showcasing some of my favourite movements, and we start off with the ring chin-ups, which is a fantastic movement with the weighted vest to help build up that bigger, stronger back and biceps. And of course you can move into handstand push-ups, decline pike push-ups to really help overload, strengthen up those shoulders, forearms and triceps. And that is the beauty of the weighted vest, is you're overloading your body, so you're really help pushing yourself with that progressive overload to gain more size, gain more strength and gain more functionality and athleticism. And whenever you take the weighted vest off, you feel so much lighter, so those movements are a lot easier. Therefore you can perform more reps, you can push yourself and you can always increase the intensity. And there's so much you can do with the weighted vest. As I'm showing you here, with all the upper body movements you can do, you can go ahead and perform a hell of a lot of leg exercises, explosive jump squats, lunges, so much that you can add in to your training variety with the weighted vest. That is why 100% I would recommend this piece of equipment if you're big into calisthenics, big into bodyweight training, just to give you that extra push to overload your body. And you can bring it with you anywhere and you can perform your workouts absolutely anytime, anywhere. You don't need to depend on a gym membership, you don't need to depend on expensive equipment. All you need is the weighted vest, your body weight to help overload your body. And I definitely would recommend this whenever you're able to, push out a lot of push-ups and really perform, pull-ups with ease and dips with ease. I would really recommend to invest in a weighted vest to overload your body, gain more size, gain more strength, push intensity, and I guarantee you will take your physique to the next level. And as you can see, the arch and push-ups, everything is a lot more difficult. You're increasing the difficulty, therefore you're gonna gain more muscle, gain more size and gain more strength. Alright team, there it is. I truly hope that you found the information in this video valuable, that you can implement into your next workout routine. And the question of the day, have you ever used a weighted vest or any other particular equipment with your calisthenic training? And if you have, leave a comment below and let me know how you get on with it. And if you're interested in the particular weighted vest I'm using in this workout video, I'm going to leave a link below in the description box so you can check it out. So thank you for checking out the video. For more videos just like this, please be sure to subscribe. If you're interested in working alongside me with my bodyweight transformation coaching program, click the link below. If you're interested to watch another video, click right here. But in the meantime, it's Conor Sloan here, helping you lose and want body fat and building muscle by mastering your body weight.